How to hide contacts on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So for this process, what you need to do is open up any browser that you have. Here I'm going for Google Chrome, and on the Google Chrome, just search for Google Contacts. So here you can see the Google Contact option. So tap on it and make sure that you have logged into your account and the account specifically that you want to hide the contacts from. So here you can see the contacts over here. Now, if you want to hide any certain contacts on Android, what you can simply do is tap on the contact, and then you have to tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen over here. And let's do that. Here you have the option of hide from contacts over here. So tap on hide from contacts, and there you go. The contact has been hidden from your contact list over here. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.